high key makeup, low key hair. Hi and thank you for watching. So for today's video, I just wanted to talk all about my favorites. So I don't do like monthly favorites. I'm not like a new product junkie, so I'm not shopping every month and then I'm not able to tell you guys like out of all the new things I try, which ones I like and don't like. Every once in a while, like I can feel that I have items that I'm reusing and using on a daily basis. So I just wanted to film my current favorites, and it's not just makeup, it's everything else too. So if you want to see my current favorites, then stay tuned. Most of these you have seen because they're my favorites. Some of them have been mentioned so many times, but I just really want to reiterate that these are like my favorite products. So first of all, one of my favorite things is my spray tan. So this actually I got done at Desert Sun Salon, and I do level 3 clear. I use a combo bed sometimes, but it's almost like so controversial. So like, I don't know, I use them sometimes. This is a spray tan. So I want to give an honorable mention to my eyebrow pencil because in every video I just skip it. I love this product so much. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in medium brown. I skip this in every video because I don't know how to apply it. Like, I think it looks okay done, but I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to brows. I always have 2 of them. So I have the one in my makeup bag, and then I always have one on deck because if you run out of this or any eyebrow pencil, you're kind of like a duck in water or still water or whatever without a paddle. I don't know, but you're not in a good place. I have a whole video dedicated to this, but this is MAC Uninterrupted. If you know me, you should know by now that this is my favorite eyeshadow ever. I'll probably mention this forever. I'm so happy that they brought this back, you guys. This is just the most beautiful, rich caramel color. I have it on right now in like the transition, but also on the lid. This can go anywhere. Like, it's so good, so versatile. I mean, it's a warm neutral, but it is just really flattering. This is a newer product, but I have reviewed it on my channel. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronzer, and this is in Tantastic. So this is the limited edition coconut, what is it called? Like, I don't remember. It's like the romantic collection or something like that. This is a beautiful color. It's more brown than orange, and it's so lovely. I love this stuff. I use this actually as a transition shade in my eye. I love tying together my eye with the contour of my face because it just makes it more uniform. It brings everything all together. I use this to warm up my forehead, to bronze, and then for the eyes. Very versatile. So much product. I love this. I love this stuff. And another product that I have you've seen before. This is the KKW Beauty Powder Contour and Highlight Kit in the shade Medium, and I'm hitting pan already. So this shade I use to contour my cheekbones and my nose, and I use the NARS Ida brush. It makes you look like your bone structure is just on point. I love it so much. And then this highlight shade right here, this pink one, I've been using because it's buildable. Like, it can be just like a pretty subtle highlight if you want it to, but it also builds up and it's not sparkly at all. Like, it doesn't look like glitter. It doesn't look like I'm a kid. It looks like a sheen. I love when makeup just enhances your features. So to have shine right here, it just looks like the light is being caught on your cheeks and it brings them out and brings more definition to your face. And I love it so much. I've been loving this Marc Jacobs Finish Line powder, and this is in Invisible. I love the packaging a lot. I've mentioned this in a video before, but the trampoline makes everything so neat and tidy. And this stuff, like, I use it to set my face now instead of using a colored foundation, and I think that it sets my liquids so beautifully. My pores look minimal. I think that it just gives a really nice finish to the face. And then this also smells like coconut, so I love it too. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put my ring back on. So this has been on my channel before. I've reviewed it, and it's my daily foundation, but this is the Dior Skin Forever foundation, and I love this stuff, and I've always said good things about it, but I really need to reiterate it. This guy, like, I love, and I've always loved, but I bought another foundation and it was a little spendy, so I'd been using that on the daily, and I just honestly, like, I had like wrinkles, texture, and all that, so I was like just thinking, I'm 27. Like, is this my life now? It only lasted while I had my makeup on. Like, I never saw my bare face and thought that I had wrinkles or anything. And I bought a new bottle of this, so I wore it, just not even thinking anything of it. And I'm like, why does my skin look like this? And I realized that my wrinkles and texture and all that were actually the other foundation. And Jaclyn Hill always raves about this stuff, so I should have known that like it really is like a face saver. I already knew it was 10 out of 10, but I didn't realize how good it was until I was using something else and I came back to it. This is MAC Cheeky Bits, and it's super concentrated. It's like a corally pink with a really nice sheen, and I think it helps me look really glowy and nice, but it doesn't go on like, it doesn't look like this is on my face, you know what I mean? I love tan skin to have color aside from brown and tan, so blusher I think is just like the perfect way to just to enhance, make you look awake, alive, and like really cute. So Cheeky Bits has been my daily. Another honorable mention is the Lily lashes, and these are the Foam Ink Mykonos. So for like 12 years I've been wearing lashes on the daily, so obviously they're going to get progressively more and more dramatic. These are not everyday lashes for everybody, but for me, I just think they're so cute and so flattering, and I don't have places to go. Like if I were to save my fanciest, best makeup for like special occasions, I never go anywhere, and I don't go on trips, I don't go out, so I would never use them. So I just figure, why not use them every day? And then also I'm always going to mention Morning Coffee by MAC because it always looks like this. I use it so often and it's so good. It's like my lips, but 1,000 times better. It's a pro longwear formula, so it's really smooth on the lips. The color is just so perfect. It's a beautiful nude, but like deeper than nude. I just outlined my lips with this and then put a gloss on top. I can do my whole lips with this. I can line it and then put lipstick, liquid lipstick, anything. This is my favorite. So usually I'm not a gloss girl at all. Usually like some glosses that you try make your mouth really sticky, and I like move around a lot. I'm super animated, so like sometimes gloss like gets your hair stuck in your mouth, and I don't like that. This is the KKW and Mario collab. This is the gloss in Super Nude. It's like super nude, and then it's super comfortable, and it's super long wearing. And for me, like I love overlining, so if you gloss it, it'll give you away. I don't overline as much when I have a gloss on, and I still think that it like tricks you into thinking my lips are bigger than they are. When Kim Kardashian West was getting interviewed by Jennifer Lawrence, I don't know what she had on her lips, but it was so beautiful, and I kind of feel like it's this stuff because this is just like the glossiest, most comfortable, like I'm saying words and nothing is sticking, you know what I mean? I just love this stuff. I never thought that I would have a favorite gloss ever, but this stuff is so nice, and I love wearing it on the daily. Okay, so I think that's it for like makeup. So now I'm going to move on to some rando stuff. I've been really into this stuff ever since I got it as a sample for my birthday. This is the Caudalie Vino Perfect, and look at me. This is my second bottle. It just really helps moisturize my skin. I have no dry patches anywhere or anything like that. I love it. And then this also I've talked about before, but when my makeup is ready to come off, I use the face halo to wipe it. This has had a lot of uses. So all you need is water, and then you just really pretty gently just wipe your face and all your makeup will come off. It's so good to make sure to remove your makeup every single night. Doesn't matter how tired you are or how busy you are, you should really take the time to remove all your makeup every single night. I put water on this guy, wipe off all my makeup like nothing. It's so good, and there's no chemicals involved, so you don't feel stripped and weird. I just use a bar of soap to wash this afterward, and then I hang it to dry, and then every week I put this in the laundry. Another item that I love that's in my bathroom, this is the scent Black Cherry Merlot. Oh my goodness, I've been using this for like over a year. This is the flavor that's by every sink in my home. The kitchen sink, my 2 bathrooms. I love this stuff. It's just really rich and luxurious and just sweet but warm. Oh, I love this soap. Like, oh, I love it a lot. And then I'm super late to the party, but I just purchased these, and I didn't realize they come with a case. I love that. These are the Key Australia by Desi Perkins, high keys, and these are the gold ones or whatever. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love giant sunglasses. Everybody's on that really small sunglass kick, and I'm not about that life. I don't care if it's the trend or not. I'm always going to prefer huge sunglasses. I think it's way more glam. I think it looks prettier. Small sunglasses right now, like I think they're like in or whatever, so you have that going for you. But I have yet to see somebody with those on and think like, oh, they look so pretty with those on. And then lastly, this is the shellac that I've been using, the Gel Polish by Exclusive Nail Couture. I bought this online, and this is just the black that I always use. I'm actually going to use this today because I have some major grow out, but I have no chips or anything like that. It stays really nicely. This is the only color that I've been using for the past few months and I really love it. It's shiny and black. It doesn't chip easily. I love it. I should do that actually right now. So that is it, you guys. Those are my current favorites, beauty and otherwise. Once I find something that I love, like it's becomes like part of my daily routine, and I would like to start incorporating different things more often. So feel free to share, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Even though what you was doing wasn't tasteful, but the truth is in the way it hurts. I have loved you for many years. Bought this so anyone who ever loved could look at me, remind us how we used to be. You guys, the lonely